Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for this week, I would like to do an unboxing of these 5 figures. The SEGA Prize Movingood Quintessential Quintuplets Nakano Sisters. So I try to collect them all first before I unbox them and just unbox them at the same time instead of unboxing it one by one. So this figure is based from the Quintessential Quintuplets movie, and they are wearing their pajama outfit. So instead of getting the school uniform version or the casual version, what we got from SEGA Prize is the pajama version. So this is the first time that I've seen SEGA do a action figure, because usually they do statues, and most of them are prize figure or arcade from arcade prize, arcade machine. So but now we've got an action figure similar to SH Figure Arts or Figma. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at the box. So I've arranged them according to, from the oldest to the youngest. So we've got Ichika right here, the oldest daughter of the Nakano sisters. And then we've got Nino, second oldest. And then the middle daughter is Miku. And then the second to the youngest is Yotsuba. And the youngest one is Itsuki Nakano. So we're gonna unbox them from oldest to the youngest. So I'm just gonna close in a little. Because the camera couldn't capture all of them. So here we have Ichika Nakano, and they are color coded according to their color. Ichika meaning ichi or one. So that's how you know that she is the eldest, because she is the firstborn. So ichi is one, and the color code is yellow. So SEGA Prize, and then from the Movingood. So that's what the series. And there we go, the Quintessential Quintuplets Movie, Ichika Nakano. So here's the side of the box, front and front profile, back profile, and then we've got another additional poses here on the other side of the box. Back of the box is just the usual product information, and we've got a pink colored theme at the top and at the bottom. So there's SEGA Prize right there. This one is released last October 2023. Nino was released November 2023. Miku, December 2023. Yotsuba on January 2024. And Itsuki just last February 2024. So I tried to secure all of the sisters first before I unbox them. So yeah, I want to unbox them in one go. So just be patient because we'll be doing 5 figures right here. There's tape on the side of the box as well and on the top. So 3 tapes there. As I've said before, I try to unbox them at the bottom of the box. So when I try to keep them, the top one is still secure. And it's not gonna be a little so nothing there. And here's Ichika. There's some tape. Scotch tape on the sides, on the top, and at the bottom. Oh, there you go. So very unusual for SEGA to release a action figure, and yeah, I was quite surprised. That's why I got them. I know there's a pop-up parade from Good Smile Company, but I don't collect statue figure anymore, and I'm just concentrating on collecting action figures, the one with articulation. So yeah, I'm just gonna so here's Ichika with their smiling face right there. There you go. And we've got an alternative face, a frowning one. The default one is smiling face. Looks good. And then similar to Figma or SH Figure Arts, you just have to remove the front bangs, and then there you go. There's the sad face. There you go. And yeah, I like it because it has very similar to Figma or SH Figure Arts. So yeah, the knees are on the single hinge. There's the hinge there. They use hinge even on the elbow. Very tight, this one. I won't force it. It's tight. Must be the paint. Yeah, it's very tight. I don't want to force it. So hinge as well on the armpit or shoulder right there. So that's the articulation. That's the ball joint right there. So it's very articulated. For the feet, another hinge right here that goes up and down. No side to side, no ankle rocker, and no toe hinge. So this one, I cannot force it. There's a hinge there. It's probably the paint. It's too tight. There's a swivel though. Yeah, you can swivel, and there's a swivel right here as well on the forearm. So you can swivel that. Very good. It's nice. This one is soft rubber. The dress. And yeah, I like it. Comes with its stand to display. So I got these figures because I plan to use this with dress them up with 1/12 scale dress. So I'm just gonna buy some dress for them instead of wearing this sleeping outfit. So she comes with a pair of open hands and then a closed fist hand. So 2 pairs of hands and an extra face plate plus the stand. Wow. The default is the closed palm or just relaxed hand. So there you go. So that's for articulation. On these ones are all the same. So yeah, let's move that aside first. So second is Nino. So ni in Japan is number 2. Ichi ni, so 1 and 2. So Nino. And the color is purple. So that's the color coding for Nino. Purple. So this was released, I believe, on November 2023. Same. They got tapes on both sides here and on the and then once you open it, there's tape here on the top and on the bottom. So it will be much faster if you have scissors or a cutter with you. So same with Ichika. So let's look at the box. So this is Nino, front and back. And then there's the additional post right there. Sorry about the... And in the back, same. There's just the Kodansha. They didn't put any sticker. So, top of the box, pink, team color. bottom. Oh, there you go. And there's our SEGA Prize base, and then the stand. You just have to plug it in. Same with Ichika. She comes with a pair of closed fist. And a pair of relaxed hands. Same accessory. I'm gonna get this is Ichika's right hand and Nino's left hand. I think they're just the same hands. Yeah, even if you can interchange them. So here's the Ichika and then the Nino closed fist. So they're both the same. No need to worry about getting the accessories mixed up. It's just the face. So here's Nino's face. Smiling. And then this one. So same with you just have to remove the bangs. And then swap it with the angry or annoyed face. Looks good. She looks pretty with their unique headband right there, or what you call it, ribbon, or I don't know what it's called. And there's her smiling face, happy face. So Ichika is wearing a white like camisole, I don't know what it's called, while Nino is wearing like a striped pajama. Yeah, stripe with the white stripe there and then the pink. Looks good. Yeah, same here, articulation, hinge there. This one, at least this one moves. Single joint, pinless, and then yeah, a hinge on the elbow. Looks good. And then there's a hinge on the hand, so you can move it like so, up and down. Yeah, highly articulated, very nice. You can pose. Yeah, like I said, I'm planning on buying extra female clothes for this one. So I pre-ordered some jackets and shirts for them to wear, or get another body, female body, and then use the head sculpt. So head is on a hinge there, ball hinge, so it can go, she can look down that much, look up that much, look left and right, tilt, no problem. So their articulations are all the same. So let's put aside here's Ichika's face. I wonder if we can do some swap as well. No, different, yeah, they have different pegs. so you cannot swap them. So this is Ichika and this is Nino. Different. So they cannot be interchanged. Yeah. So I was hoping that you can swap the face plate as well. Oh yeah, another articulation is on the here torso, and yeah, you can, there's a tilt, and she can arch, bend that much and then arch. So yeah, it's nice to have figure. I prefer the action figure because you can do various poses with the figure instead of just a one static. Yeah, so there's Nino. So the third one is Miku, Ichni-san, san, third, and another alternate is me. So me, meaning number 3. So she's the middle child, the third daughter, and she is my favorite out of the 3. Yeah, because we've got similar personalities. Yeah. I like the quiet type, introvert, because most of the toy collectors, I guess, are introvert people. And the color code for Miku is blue. Yotsuba is green, and Itsuki is red. So that's their color coding. So this is the front of the box, and then there's the front and back profile of Miku, the side, and then another post right here, top of the box and the bottom. So yeah, same accessory, same stand, just different faceplate. Oh, again, tape on the top right here, the bottom. I think the video is getting too long. I'll just tackle the accessory anyway. So same accessory. Oh, this one got extra plastic on her head. Same stand, same set of 2 pairs of extra hand. There's a hole at the back where you can plug the stand. So Miku is wearing a blue long sleeve pajama and long shorts right there. So same accessory, pair of open hands and closed fists. And here is Miku's pouting face. The default is smiling. This one is a little, very hard. I'm not gonna put it just there. Smiling face, nice bangs. I like the long hair with the, she looked like Elsa Scarlet from Fairy Tail. I don't know, even though she has a brown hair right here. So this is her dress, same articulation. This one is type 2 on the hinge on the shoulder, hinge on the, there you go. Here's you can swivel it right there. And there's Miku. Let's set her aside. And let's go to the last two. So Yotsuba, spoiler, is the one that Futaro got married to. She's the lucky one. I like Yotsuba. She's a carefree character. If I'm gonna do the rating later. So color code is green, and she or each ni san she, or Yotsu, another alternate. Yotsu meaning 4, so she's the 4th daughter. Here's the front of the box and the side. She's wearing a bear outfit. There's the side of the box, top, bottom, and the back. So this one was released January this year, January 2024. And I got them for retail at around $18 to $20 each. And they're very cheap. Straight from Japan. I got this from Japan. And don't pay for like more than 30. I think they can go as high as $30 US dollars. So some of them are $18 and some are $20 and $22. So Ichika right here is the cheapest, 18, and Nino. And then I don't know, because Miku is very popular, so she's fetching around 22. Yotsuba as well, because she's the best girl, the lucky girl that Futaro got married. So she's a little expensive as well. And Itsuki being the latest, and I paid like $25 for this, I think. Yeah, I paid it even more just to secure. I don't want to be left out with missing characters. I want to complete them. So I paid more for Itsuki, but on average they are so sometimes they go as high as 30 to 35. So same here with Yotsuba. She got the bear outfit. So she got a laughing face there, a happy open mouth. And then she's still smiling here. Smiling face. So yeah, let's swap the head. And yeah, there you go. So yeah, she's carefree, and sometimes I think a little clumsy, but she's very athletic. She's the sporty type, and yeah, there you go. So she's wearing a bear outfit, even got the cowl right here. So brown. There's the articulation. Similar there. Single hinge. There you go. You're gonna have a fun time posing them. There you go. Legs can swivel. Hinge on the knees. Single hinge. But it will do. Ooh, very. This one is tight. Not gonna break if I force it. Have to hit it up. So yeah. Let's just try to wrap this up. And our video is getting too long already. And last color scheme is red. And go. Each Nissan she go. Meaning number 5. Alternate is Itsu. So 5. So yeah. This is the front of the box. With the stand, extra pair of pants, open, and the closed fist. So here's the front and back profile. Additional post right there. Back of the box similar. Yeah. So here's Itsuki. So with the pink hair, and the dress is with stripe as well. You can feel the some texture right there. I think she's wearing like a don't know, slightly pink outfit. So yeah, nice dress. And yeah, I like the aoge right here. She's my second favorite as well. And I thought that she's gonna be the one that gonna marry Futaro. But it's alright. I'm always betting on Miku. And here is her angry face, cross-eyed. And yeah, there you go. Angry face right there. So yeah. So I think the height is around more than 6 inches, just a little over 6. Yeah, 6 inches at least, yeah. Exactly 6 inches or 15 centimeters. So yeah. So here's our Nakano sisters. In their pajama outfit. Oh, sorry, Yotsuba. Your head hit that hard. Little. Yeah. It's a little twisted. Yeah, somehow it's a little damaged right here. That's why it's very, yeah, I'm gonna try to fix that off cam. So there you go, guys. Our quintuplets, Ichika, Nino, Ichika, Nino, Miku, Yotsuba, and Itsuki. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next unboxing. Yeah, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye, guys. Bye.